Hi everyone, here we have a GATE question from Algebra to Civil Department. Here the question, the smallest eigenvalue and the corresponding eigenvector we want of this 2 by 2 matrix. So I want eigenvalue and eigenvector. So these two can be obtained from the characteristic equation. First eigenvalue is from the characteristic equation. So what is the characteristic equation? So characteristic equation, which is a minus lambda I, determinant of a minus lambda I is equal to 0. This is characteristic equation. So a means the given matrix. Let us call this matrix is A, right? And since A is of order 2 by 2 matrix, therefore identity matrix also will take 2 by 2 order, right? So then what do we get directly? So 2 minus I lambda into I. So 2 minus lambda and minus 2 and minus 1, and here is 6 minus lambda. So determinant of this is equal to 0. That means yes. So 2 minus lambda into 6 minus lambda to 6 minus lambda. So minus 2 is equal to 0. Let's simplify. So 2n minus 2 lambda minus 6 lambda plus lambda square, right? Minus 2 equal to 0. Then so lambda power 2 lambda square and minus 8 times lambda, right? 12 minus 2 is plus 10, which is equal to 0. Let us solve this quadratic equation. So which is lambda square, right, minus 8 lambda, right, plus 10 is equal to 0. So therefore here A is 1, B is minus 8 and C is 10, right? C is 10. We'll find the roots by the formula minus b plus or minus b square minus 4ac by 2a. So minus b, so 8 plus or minus square root over b square, 8 is 64 minus 4ac, 40. 4 into 1 into 10, right? 4ac upon twicely a. So a is 1, so 2 into 1 is 2, right? So which is, so these are lambda values, right? So these are lambda values. So 8 plus or minus, so root 24, right? Root 24, 4 6 are 24 inside. So 4 6 are 24 means 2 will comes out. So 2 into root 6 upon 2. So 2 one time out. So numerator 4 plus or minus root 6. So therefore these are eigenvalues. So finally the eigenvalues are, let us write the first eigenvalue 4 plus root 6, right? And the second eigenvalue is, and in between minus, so 4 minus root 6. So in this, so what is the root 6 value? So root 6 is approximately 2.449. So let us call it is some. So this is approximately 2.45 you take. So once root 6 is 2.45, then what is lambda 1 value? So therefore lambda 1 is 6.45, right? So therefore the second eigenvalue lambda 2, which is 4 minus 2.45, how much? So almost 1.55, right? Now look at what is the question. We want the smallest eigenvalue, right? And corresponding eigenvector I want. So therefore in this, what is the smallest eigenvalue? Look at 1.55 in 3 options it is given. So 1.55 here, 1.55 is in D. So therefore compulsory we need to compute what is eigenvector. So this is our smallest eigenvalue, 1.55. So with respect to this, we have to compute the eigenvalue. Okay. So how to get eigenvector corresponding to that eigenvalue lambda 2? So therefore by using this equation, ax is equals to lambda x, right? Then you bring lambda x to LHS side, so a minus lambda into I into x is equal to null matrix. So we have to solve this. So here my goal is to find what is x. X is eigenvector here. So lambda is eigenvalue, x is eigenvector, right? So let us plug in bar. the given unknown. So A is the given matrix, lambda is 1.55. With respect to this, we have to compute, and I is the identity matrix, right? So what is A now? So let us substitute back. So A is 2, minus 2, and minus 1, 6. This is A, and minus lambda. So lambda is 1.55, right? 1.55 into identity matrix of order 2 by 2 only, because the given matrix is of order 2 by 2. If the given matrix is of order 3 by 3, then identity matrix you must take of order 3 by 3. Okay, so this entire thing into x. X is eigenvector, so let us take the eigenvector x and y. So column vector 2 rows and 1 column. This 2 by 2 matrix is given. So which is null? So that is 0 and 0. So we're supposed to solve this to get x and y value. So this will be equivalent to, so what will get? So 2 minus 1.55. So 2 minus 1.55 how much? So 0.45 first entry, right? Next one, minus 2 minus 0, so minus 2 only. Next, minus 1 minus 0, so minus 1. And here 6 minus 1.55 into 2, so you will get 4.55. You will get 4.5, 4.45, sorry, 4.4. So this one into x into y, xy. So our main goal is to find this one only, which is null matrix. So from here let us write the two equations, right? So from here let us write, so 0.45 into x minus 2 into x is equal to 0. And now to write the second equation, since they are system of homogeneous equations. So this is 2 into y, right? 21. So from here I can write 0.45. Let us do the cross verification. So 0.45 into x is equals to 2 into y. So therefore x by 2 is equals to y by 0.45. So therefore finally the matrix xy, this is eigenvector, right? So which is, what is that? So let us write this x is not equal to this x. So this is component and this is vector, entire vector. Let us write this one capital X if we are getting confusion. Okay. So what is that now? X value how much? X is 2 and y is 0.45. 0.45. So therefore 2 0.45. So 2 0.45. Therefore, so option C is correct one, right? So 1.55 is eigenvalue, corresponding eigenvector is 2 0.45.